YouTube banner is costing you subscribers? I didn't know and didn't believe it either until I changed mine for Grow With You and my subscriber rate jumped in a week. A banner is a long rectangular bar in the YouTube studio or your channel. We usually make banners from scratch, but there is a secret you don't have to. When I fixed my banner, I used a hidden Canva trick that makes your channel look like Mr. Beast or Grow With You. Same clean layout, same professional look, and you don't need design skills to do it. I will show you how. In this video, I will break down the 4-step process. 1. Choose a template that fits your style. 2. Customize it for mobile using the save area trick. 3. You edit it in the Canva in under 10 minutes. 4. You avoid mistakes that make your channel look unprofessional. By the end of this video, you will have a banner that converts viewers into subscribers. Let's get started. Before we begin, see what most viewers see on their phones. See how the text is chopped off. See how the face is out in half. It has also been chopped off. This is what 70% of your viewers see. YouTube has 3 banner size for TV, for computer, and for mobile. But mobile is the most important one. Look at Mr. Beast and Grow With You banner on mobile. It's clean and simple. Nothing is chopped off or cut off. That is because strong branding helps with viewer trust and recommendation. A bad banner can get you fewer impressions. Here is the trick. Use a template that is 2560 by 1440 pixels, but the save area 546. Then your height to 423. You center it, you set transparency to 30%. That is your save area. You put your channel name, face, and important stuff there. Everything outside is dead. The method above, if you want to start from the scratch, you can use that method. But to simplify things and not get confused with numbers or puzzles and stuff, I will use a trick to make it easier and simpler for you. Let's use the method by picking a template, customize it. We will do it in under 10 minutes. Even if you've never used Canva before, with this method, you can do it. Let's go. Alright, let's open Canva and start designing our banner. You go to let's start. You go to Play Store and search for Canva. With my own, I've installed it already. So if you see Canva, then you press on install to install your own. Now Canva is installed on the phone, so you click on it to open the interface. But you will create your account before this interface. Type YouTube cooking banner for cooking niche, for example. YouTube, click on search. Then this interface will come. So this very one is the one you will click if you want to start from the blank or you want to start from the scratch. You will do your own design, everything. But we are not using that one. That is where the puzzles and the numbers will come in there. We are not using that one. We want the simple one. So let's scroll down. You get a lot of templates to choose from. The one that suits your eyes, you select that one. All these are templates that you can select from. But the one with the crown, you can't use it. It's paid one. So we want the free one. So the one, if you see that crown, it means you can't use it. It's not free, it's paid. So you scroll then you choose what is nice for your eyes. You choose that one. The one that is nice for you, you choose it. Let's use this one. We want to use this very one. So to use that one, you will click on the three dots, this very one. You will click on it. So let's click on it and see. Then you click on customize this template. This very one, this one. You click on that one. So let's click on it. Now, this is the banner we selected. So we are now coming to customize, to enlarge it or to minimize it by using your two fingers. So we will enlarge it more to see the words well. So we are now coming to edit it. If you want to edit, you click on the thing that you want to edit. We don't want this thing here. So you will click on it. Then you will choose this very one. If you say this, it means you want to delete it. So if you click on what you don't like, then you click on the one. If you want to delete it, you click on it, then it will delete. We want everything to be in the middle so that it will not be chopped off, like what we talk about. We have a subscribe button. So here, what you want to do, if you want to use your name, you can use it. This is food vlogger. You to your channel name or what you want to put it there, you can put it there. So you can do changes by clicking on it. If you click on it, you use this bar at the edges. You use it. You can even minimize it. You can bold it by stretching it. So how you want it, that is how you do it. So you want to change it, you press on it, then you go to replace. This very one. To replace it, it will take you to your gallery. Let's say we want to replace. You press on it, it will take you to your gallery. Then you select
your logo or your picture.
This. Have you seen it has changed? Change it again. You can click on it, then you go to the same replace to replace it. If you want it to go back, you just go to the top. This one is undo. It means it will take you back. So let's click on that one to take us back. Now it has come. But because that it will not be cut off or chopped off, we have to minimize it. So you press on that thing, the dot, to minimize it so that it will be small. Whatever you want to change, you have to press on it. We have to make it small so that it will not be cut off. You make it small so that it will not be cut off. We make this one too small so that our banner will come to the middle of it, because the size, the normal size is like a TV size. So if you use the full one, it will be chopped off. So we have to make it small to come to the middle. So if you want to do any changes, you can just, if you press on it, then you delete it. So let's say you want to change it to food better. So you just, if you want to change it, you just go to edit. This is the edit. You go there, you click on it to edit it. So you have to delete what is there. then you write your own. Whatever you want to write. If it's food better, that is what you want to write. You write food better. Probably it can be your channel name. So if your channel name is food better, then you write it food better. You write it there. So you can put your channel name there, and your subscribe button is already there because that is what you choose. To make it simple, so you can add your logo, then you adjust the text to fit your channel. You can edit colors, fonts, and images to match your brand. So whatever you want to do, you play around it. You know more of it. Now, it look like. Let's save it or upload it. It's downloading and it will be saved to our gallery. Let's continue to customize so that some parts will not be cut off like the bad one. Is the color of the subscribe button. You will click on it. Then you click on the color on the formatting toolbar. This very one. This is the formatting toolbar to format whatever you want to format. So now we can see that there is a color here. This very one. So you click on it to change the color. So you scroll till you choose the color that you want. Let's say we want so immediately you click on it, the color red will change. Let's say we want, let's change it to blended color. The blended, let's use this one to differentiate it from the other one. Let's download it. We will use this button to download this very one. Let's click on that one. We are making the previous banner the bad one and this very one the good banner. It's still loading. Voila! Now it has been saved to our gallery. So let's go and fix it into the YouTube Studio banner image. Go to Chrome, type YouTube dashboard. Click on Continue to Studio. Click on the three dots. Scroll down. Select Desktop Site. Click anywhere on the screen for the pop-up menu to go or disappear. Click on Customization. Now, under Profile, there is your banner image. Click on Upload to upload your banner from gallery. We uploaded two banners, the bad banner and the good banner. Now, click on the banner we uploaded from Canva. If you don't adjust the template banner or the bad banner well to fit on mobile, this is how it will look like. Now, let's upload the professional adjusted banner and let's preview on mobile and see how it will look like. That's it. You now have a professional looking banner for your brand that will help you to get more subscribers. Let's save it. Now your new banner is live. Now it fits on all devices perfectly. TV, computer, or phone. You can change it or remove it by clicking here. But we want to maintain this, so let's click on Publish to save this banner. Now, let's talk about some tips to make your banner more effective. First, make sure your branding is consistent across all your social media platforms. Second, use a clear and concise message that tells viewers what your channel is about. Third, make sure your banner is optimized for mobile, like what we did right now. And finally, test different designs and see what works best for your channel. That's it. If you have any question, leave them in the comments below. Watch the next video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more video creation tips like this. Bye.